Welcome to Impact Radio Accessories Learning Resources playlist. Today we will be covering how to change a QDAT. This video features our Gold 1 wire kit with the Acoustic Tube 2. To replace the QDAT, first ensure all clothing clips are pushed to the side to ensure they don't get in the way. Next, holding the acoustic tube, twist the tube the opposite way that the locking arrow points. Done correctly, the tube will pop right out. Get the new QDAT out of the bag, lining the oval bottom up with the oval part of the transducer. Slide it in and twist it towards the arrow with the lock on it to secure the tube in place. Give it a quick tug test and it's completed. Looking for replacement tubes? Contact our expert sales team. Otherwise, visit our How To playlist for more tutorials. Thank you.